Hey guys, this is Elisa with WTI. I just woke up and I love using this ice roller. Let me show you why. This roller from Pure Botanical is super easy to use. You just take it out from the freezer and you start rolling any area you wish to take the puffiness away. I love the fact that the roller, the head is super soft, it's gentle, it's not aggressive for your skin. You just have to be, of course, a little gentle when you go in the eye area. This is not only great for puffiness, inflammation, but it's also great to bring relief if you have a sunburn or if you have any migraine. I also appreciate that you can remove the roller head to wash it. It's super easy to detach it. Once you have finished washing it, attaching the head roller, you just stick it back in the fridge and you have it ready for the next day. So there's no need to spend a bunch of money in eye creams when this baby here can definitely help you, as you can see, but that's just my point of view.